Harin king dawa Dorbar berten kasang Voice of the People's Party kumjo kisang bahalang kum kakasi Sudan Union kah new trap youth council kah new trap Acing National Movement bat kiwe kisang bansai madan no ya Kaiphod ke expert committee hal ke bah tungkam ka sekolah jela mentak sengi ke kan reu tarik kulang kod ya punreu rarai ya kani banra no siapa yang dua tauan ke banlong hak kan reu tarik hadu apnyo tarik bunai rempang mentau snem hadin ba awai ke kabinet tilang ba kejela konar kisang ma ulaong baka Sorkar ka rai banra ini Kaiphod apo indo ba kenang banyo banyetai kamen shua konda ulaong baka jing simpor ka Sorkar ban pelai pai ba ini Kaiphod kadai nama baka ben palat hadu kumba sawah san hajasla bat ka kia hadu kumba aspa kilu ya kani Kaiphod awan ra musim snem handai ka Sorkar ka ban siat hau chief secretary ban puli benia shua ban sei madan la ban kedau baka Sorkar ka thau ke expert committee hal ba tungkam tungjam ban puli benia bat ajing mut sek Sorkar hadin ba unong ram ka WPP ba aden mila besai moy ula penlong ya kejing ki syak tangan ke bala ya kembali ke sita ya kan TAA hakis nem ba dem ya ke kabinet retreat la penlong mentak sengi ha orchid resort New Shillong mau ke siang.
As you're aware, today we have the third cabinet retreat, and as has always been practiced, before the cabinet retreat, we have a cabinet meeting of the report on the reservation policy, and we have decided that the assembly session, which again is another news which I would like to inform all of you, that we have proposed to the governor that the assembly session be started from the mid of February, exact date about February 16th if I'm not wrong, I haven't got the calendar, but February 16th, the Monday, and up to February 27th. So we have proposed to the governor, we are waiting for the governor of course to call the sitting of the assembly for the budget session. So once the governor approves and gives the orders, it will be formalized, but we have proposed, and based on that proposal, the cabinet has also decided that it is most appropriate that we will be placing the report of the committee during the budget session of 2026.